Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete TikTok Shop Seller Center account. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to seller.tiktok.com. Log into your seller account. On the home page, click on My Account, then click Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Close Shop Account. Closing your shop will permanently delete all your data, products, and history. Make sure you're 100% ready to close it. Then verify your identity, check all required boxes to confirm that you understand the terms. Carefully read the shop closure policy. Then click on Close My Shop to finalize the deletion. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.